Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you two websites that are going to help you make money online. By the way, you don't need to have a website, okay? You can just join, start working, and make money online. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you to miss a video. By the way, with the websites that I'm going to show you, you need to put the hours, okay? You can make money even if you're broke because you're going to get paid to put the hours. So this is active work, okay? But if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online with passive income, so that means that you don't have to put the hours. You can make money even while you sleep, while you travel, while you're enjoying life with your family. Click the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. That's my number one recommendation to make passive income. But now let's talk about the two websites that I'm going to suggest you to make money even if you're broke. The first one, it's called UTest. You can access it by go to utest.com. Okay, this is a worldwide opportunity, so it doesn't matter where you are, you can make money with this website. It's free to join, so you don't have to pay anything. Okay, if you don't have an account right now, you can click here where it says sign up for free. Yeah, as I mentioned, you're gonna sign up for free. You're gonna put here your name, your last name, your email address. Please make sure that it's a valid email address, your date of birth, because you need to be at least 18 years old to start making money online with this website. And by default, the language is going to be English. But if you speak any other language, put it here so you're going to have more possibilities to get more jobs, okay? So after that, my suggestion is to go here or click here where it says project board. Here on the project board, you're going to see the projects that they do have available depending on what you put on your profile, right? You're gonna have more opportunities. These are like a small fraction, okay? So you can have an idea of which are the type of jobs they are gonna offer, which are the type of projects, okay? You can browse here depending if you have an Android device or if you have an iOS device. You can choose either or. If you have both, you can, well, choose both. If you're from a country, right, you can choose if you want to be to participate in a worldwide opportunity or just in your specific country. So you're gonna have less or more opportunities, okay? So this is actually how you are gonna put yourself out there and get this job done, okay? Please make sure that you meet the requirements. So you need to click and read the entire description to make sure if you're going to be able to fulfill it or not. The urgent projects, right? It's a project that are in rush. You are going to be able to make a little bit extra because they need to do this or they need to fulfill this as soon as possible. If not, you're going to see that they do have a start date and they do have a due date, okay? So if you don't have time, let's say that it's a Friday, it's something over the weekend, or you're gonna take the day off, please make sure that you're not gonna put yourself on a job that you cannot fulfill, because that's gonna harm your reputation on the platform. Here also you're gonna have a forum. It is actually a great forum, especially if you're just getting started. This is like a community forum, so a lot of people are asking questions, answering questions, especially if you're just getting started. It's a good place to have feedbacks, okay? So the community is there, you're not gonna be alone, and this is something really cool and amazing about this platform. But I'm pretty sure that right now you're gonna be wondering like, okay, I love it, I'm interested, how I'm gonna get paid? Well, remember that this is a worldwide opportunity, so you can get paid with PayPal. And I know we all know that sometimes, and they put it here, PayPal is not fulfill supported in all countries. So you have the options to join your Payoneer account. With your Payoneer account, you can have a master debit card, a master debit card. So you can withdraw money from the ATM, or you can use this as a regular MasterCard account, or you can choose the possibility so that they can transfer the funds to your Payoneer account, and from Payoneer you're gonna withdraw the funds to your bank account. But if you want to join, right, to match your Payoneer account to your UTES account, you need to have at least $10. Okay, if not, you're not gonna have the options to link it. But don't worry, don't panic. Okay, you can do it. Okay, this is the very first website I'm gonna teach, that I'm gonna show you. It's called utest.com. The second website that I'm gonna show you, it's called testerwork.com. Okay, again, this is if you will have a cell phone, if you have internet. Okay, so you are gonna be earn money by testing apps. Okay, you can choose your language here, and let me show you a little bit more about this. So as you can see, they are a reputable company. They do have like really big companies working with them, Microsoft, Facebook, you know. So how it works, well, you need to sign up. I'm going to show you in a moment how you're going to sign up. You're going to test an app or website, and you're going to get paid because you're going to be reporting bugs. Okay, these bugs, you can report them by video, you know, if they are too complicated, or you can just write it down. Okay, so you're going to be earning money, you're going to be gaining skills, you're going to have access to something really exclusive that is called the Teslathlon. Okay, they organize an event that everybody can go if they are part of this community. Okay, you can work in your own time, if you're free time, if you want to do extra money. Okay, so if you want to join, just click here where it says become a tester, and you're gonna land on this page. So you're gonna put a valid email address, a password, and that's it. But remember that you need to be at least 18 years old if you want to make money with this. Okay, so here is an example of some of the projects that they do have. Okay, these are the top 3 projects. You just need to click here. It says project, and you are going to be able to apply. Okay, you're going to have more or less projects depending on your profile. As you can see, this is a worldwide opportunity. For example, they do. This is a tester from Switzerland. They require it. The language, the person needs to be an expert in German and Swiss German. Okay, they need to have an Android and iOS device, right? And you're gonna click here where it says apply. Okay, so again, this is a worldwide opportunity, but they pay a little bit different than UTES. Okay, why? Because they pay right now with PayPal. We already know this is worldwide, but they also pay with Upwork. Okay, and they put it here like future payments method might be available at later. Okay, so you need to have this into consideration. I'm pretty sure you're wondering like how much you're gonna get paid. In both websites, the information is gonna be on the project. Okay, so they're gonna let you know if they're gonna be paying per buck or they're gonna pay a fixed amount. Okay, so again, this is active work. Okay, you need to put the hour. It is okay if you don't have a job right now, right, and you want to make some money, right? Remember that you are going to be able to make money even if you have some free time, because there is no mandatory hours. You don't have to commit within schedule. Okay, if you want to do this on the weekends and you want to put this or do this during the nights because you want to have some extra catch, you can use these 2 websites. Okay, tester.com and utest.com. But remember, if you want to know what's my number 1 recommendation to make money online, and I mean passive income, so you don't have to put the hours, I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. If you find this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know where you're from so I can show you several ways to make money online that match your region. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.